Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your favorite hair combo in the new DTI update. So the winter update in DTI finally includes a highly requested features, the ability to save your favorite hair combinations. So no more rebuilding that perfect multi-layer hairstyle every time. So this is how you can do it. So once you finish your hair in a hair salon, you can just click on this buttons right here with the check icon, and as you guys can see, you got two free save custom hair features. So you can just click on it, one hairstyle, so you can just click on the plus button to save the hair, and you can add your hair combo names. Short hair, for example, I would just go with that and click on save, and just like that your hair will be saved, so you can reuse it anytime. And here after that, you need to purchase it, and also you need to get the VIP if you want to have more slot in here, and even you need to pay for some Robux in here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.